In this video, I will show you how to fix this problem. At least one email input is required on this page. There are two solutions to fixing this problem. The first solution is add an input form to your button. Make sure the form is selected as email. Save. And it's gone. That's one way. Every time we click save, it's not popping up anymore. That's one problem fixed. Let's remove the email. Save. It pops up. The second solution we can do is to change each button. On the top left hand corner it says submit form. Change it to a URL. This will fix the issue. Save. Now, depending on how many buttons you have on your page, you're going to have to do it to all your buttons. Okay. So this is another button here. Let's see, submit form. Change it to open URL. Paste the URL there. Save. Still one more button it needs to be done to. So the last button would be this one. And we can submit open URL. Save. There we go. Now we've saved it and all the buttons have an open URL, and that fixed the problem. You can actually view it. I'll show you something now. If you can't view, then you know you still got a problem. For example, let's fix this. Submit form. I've changed this to submit form, okay? If we save that, you see, at least one email input is required on this page. But if you view, this is what you get, a blank screen. So you can't even view it, which is frustrating, until you add an input field for your email or you change the function. When you come back, it says this. Good. I hope that helps. Please like and subscribe.